Hey Mary, how are you doing today? You look extra happy. Are you hiding something sweet from me?
Hi, Tom. I'm doing great. Maybe I am hiding something, maybe not. But I promise it's not chocolate this time.
Good, because last time you hid chocolate, you ate it all and blamed the cat. So, what's making you smile like this today?
Maybe it's the weather, or maybe it's this topic we're going to talk about. Talking about love always gives me butterflies.
Oh, wow, butterflies again? Should I bring a net to catch them? All right, so let's dive into today's topic, love.
Tom, when you hear the word love, what is the first thing that pops into your mind? Please don't say pizza again.
Okay, I won't say pizza, even though pizza has never broken my heart. But honestly, love makes me think of comfort and connection.
Wow, that's surprisingly deep for you, Tom. I expected you to say my bed or something silly like that.
My bed does love me though. But you're right, love is deeper than comfort.
For me, love is when someone remembers the tiny little things about you, like how I love warm tea in the morning and cold water at night.
And how you sneeze like a baby panda. That's adorable every single time.
Stop making fun of my sneeze. It's not my fault I sound like a cartoon animal.
That's exactly why it's cute. Love makes people adore even your weirdest habits.
True, love makes flaws feel beautiful. It's like a magic filter on real life.
Exactly. You don't try to be perfect, you just try to be honest. That honesty makes two people feel safe.
Do you think people nowadays misunderstand love? Like they think it's only romance and butterflies?
Definitely. People forget that love is also boring sometimes, and that's what makes it real.
Boring but peaceful, right? Like sitting next to someone for hours without talking and still feeling connected.
Yes, that's the level of comfort I dream of. No pressure, no pretending, just being yourself.
I like that. Love shouldn't feel like a job interview.
Or an exam where you're scared to fail. Real love gives space to breathe.
Tom, have you ever done something crazy for love? Come on, tell me the most embarrassing one.
Oh no, you want the embarrassing version? Fine. I once sang in public just to apologize.
What? You sang? In public? I need video evidence immediately.
No video exists, thank God. But people clapped, mostly because I stopped singing.
Poor Tom. But that's cute, though. Love makes people brave.
And stupid, but mostly brave.
I once walked 3 kilometers just to give someone their forgotten notebook. Turns out, the person didn't even need it that day.
Ouch, that hurts. But that notebook is now legendary.
You know what, Tom? Sometimes love is not about big gestures. It's the small things that matter most.
Absolutely. Like sharing your fries even when you don't want to.
Sharing my fries? Now that's true love because I never want to share fries.
I knew it. You protect your fries like a dragon guards treasure.
And you protect your ice cream the same way. Don't pretend you're innocent.
Guilty as charged. Love is knowing each other's weaknesses.
Tom, do you think love should be easy or hard? Some people say love must be fought for. Others say it should flow naturally.
I think love should feel natural, but relationships require effort. You water a plant gently, not forcefully.
Beautiful metaphor. I didn't know you were a secret poet.
I'm full of surprises, Mary. Most of them chaotic, but still surprises.
Do you think love changes people, or does it simply reveal who they really are?
A bit of both. Love softens people, but also exposes their true heart.
I love that. Love makes people vulnerable, but stronger at the same time.
Exactly. It's weird, but wonderful.
Have you ever been scared of love, like afraid of losing someone?
Yes, many times. Love is scary because it gives someone the power to hurt you.
But also the power to heal you. That's the paradox of love.
Mary, why are you suddenly sounding like a philosopher? Did you eat something inspirational today?
Maybe chocolate. Chocolate always makes me wise.
Then keep eating it. Your wisdom is impressive today.
Tom, Do you think soulmates exist, or is it just a romantic idea?
I think soulmates exist, but not always in a romantic way. Sometimes a friend can be your soulmate.
I agree. Soulmates are people who understand you without needing explanations.
Yes, it's the quiet connection that matters.
Love is not always fireworks. Sometimes it's just steady candlelight.
And candles last longer than fireworks. Steady love is underrated.
Tom, if you could describe love in 3 words, what would they be? And please don't say pizza is life.
Fine. I'd say trust, comfort, and laughter.
Aw, that's sweet. Mine would be respect, kindness, and patience.
Those 3 are powerful. Together, they build a strong relationship.
Do you think people fall in love slowly or instantly? Which one is more real?
I think instant attraction is real, but true love grows slowly. It's built day by day.
Like a warm cup of tea that becomes perfect after time, not boiling fast and burning your tongue.
Mary, only you compare love to tea, but somehow it makes perfect sense.
Tom, what is the funniest thing love has ever made you do? Besides your public singing disaster.
I once pretended to like horror movies, but I ended up covering my eyes the whole time.
You scared of movies?
Not scared, just respecting the ghosts. You never know.
Love makes people silly and adorable, and sometimes irrational.
But that's the fun part. Love isn't meant to be logical
True. It's supposed to make your heart feel alive.
and comfortable and safe.
Tom, do you think love fades, or does it just change forms?
I think it changes form, like water. You don't lose it, it just flows differently.
Beautifully said. I love that image.
Mary, what kind of love do you value most? Family, friendship, romantic?
Honestly, all 3. Each one feels a different part of the heart.
Well said. Love is not one shape.
Tom, you know what I love most about love? It teaches us to be better humans.
Yes, love makes us kinder and more patient.
And that is why love is powerful. It changes the world quietly.
Mary, that's beautiful. You should write a book.
Maybe I will. Chapter 1, Tom ate my fries.
No, don't expose me like that.
Too late. Love requires honesty.
Okay. But I get to write chapter 2.
Deal. Just don't make it about my panda sneeze.
No promises. People need to know the truth.
Well, Tom, today's conversation was really warm and meaningful. Love is such a beautiful topic to explore.
Yeah, it made me smile more than I expected. Talking about love always reminds me how important it is in our lives.
To everyone listening, we hope this conversation brought some warmth to your heart. Remember, love is kind, patient, and sometimes very funny.
Take care, spread love, and don't forget to share your fries with someone special. Unless you're Mary, then just run.
Thank you for listening today. We really enjoyed sharing this moment with you.
Yes, and don't forget, learning English is easier when we learn together.
If you like this episode, make sure to subscribe our channel.
Podcast English Talk, your sweet place to learn, relax, and grow every day.
See you next time.